Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This model answer shows you how to write a good CELPIP Writing Task 1 email. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time. The email successfully answers all parts of the prompt. For example, it provides information about the types of programs, how to become a member, and activities or events for new residents. The email is well organized with clear paragraphs. It uses a polite and formal tone, which is correct for writing to a community center. Notice the clear greeting and closing lines. This structure makes the email easy to read and understand. The writer uses simple linking words like secondly and finally to connect ideas smoothly. These words help the email flow well. Also, the writer uses some good vocabulary. Words like inquire and opportunities are slightly more advanced but fit naturally in the text. They show a wider range of vocabulary. A helpful tip for beginners is to always use the bullet points from the prompt as a checklist. Make sure your email answers every part. This helps you organize your thoughts and ensures you cover all the required information. This model answer explains how to write a strong CELPIP writing task 2 response. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time. The answer clearly states a choice and gives good reasons to support it. For example, it explains how the garden provides fresh, healthy food and promotes community sharing. The answer is well structured. It begins by stating the preferred option directly. Then it uses 2 clear body paragraphs to give different reasons. Each paragraph starts with a linking word to help the flow. The conclusion quickly summarizes the main idea. This organization makes the response easy to follow and understand. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly, secondly, and therefore. These words help connect sentences and ideas smoothly. Notice also the use of clear, simple language throughout. The answer includes some good vocabulary words like beneficial and sustainable. These words are a bit more advanced but fit naturally in the sentences. They show a wider range of vocabulary without being too complex. A useful tip for task 2 is to always choose one option clearly at the start. Then give at least 2 distinct reasons to support your choice. Use examples to make your reasons stronger. This helps you develop your ideas fully. This model answer shows you how to write an effective CELPIP writing task 2 response. You can pause the video here to read the full answer if you need more time. The answer clearly chooses an option and provides solid reasons. For example, it mentions that the garden creates a calm and inviting atmosphere and greatly improve the appearance. The response is well organized. It starts by stating the preferred option and then develops reasons in 2 separate paragraphs. The introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion are all very clear. This structure makes the answer easy to read and understand. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which is perfect for this type of survey. The writer uses effective linking words such as firstly, secondly, and overall. These help connect ideas and make the text flow smoothly. You can also see some good vocabulary used here. Words like atmosphere and contributes are examples of slightly more advanced words that are used correctly. They help to make the writing more interesting. For your own writing, remember to clearly state your choice at the beginning. Then use separate paragraphs to explain at least 2 strong reasons for your preference. Always try to make your ideas easy to follow with good organization and simple linking words.